Welcome to the first episode of Coding in 60 Seconds, where we take a look at developing on the Microsoft stack 1 minute at a time. My name is Tony Champion, and in this first episode, we're going to take a look at roaming data in universal apps. So let's get that clock started. The concept of roaming data is simple. Take small bits of information about the current state of the app, push that information to the cloud, and then sync that data with other instances of the same app. Typical information that is stored with roaming data are things like settings and preferences, the state of the current app, and any temporary working data. There are some important things to remember about using roaming data. First, the user must be logged into the device with a Microsoft ID. Second, roaming data is only shared within the same versions of that app and the same user. And finally, there's a finite size of data that you can sync. There are two types of roaming data, settings and files. Settings are your typical string-based key-value pair, and files can be any type of file with a few exceptions. Access to roaming settings is done in the application object for the app, and the instance of that app can be found in Windows Storage Application Data Current. Settings are access to the roaming settings property. The roaming folder property returns a storage folder to read and write files. The data change event fires anytime data has been synced from the cloud. Finally, you can determine the size of total available storage to the roaming storage quota property. And that is roaming data in 60 seconds. You can find links for more information below or at tonyc.me/c60ep1. If you have any comments or ideas of what you think would make a good Coding in 60 Seconds episode, feel free to reach me at any of the following. That wraps us up. We'll see you on the next episode of Coding in 60 Seconds.